Question 3. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. Part 1. 12, 15 and 21. First step, 12 के factors निकालना है. 12 is a even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 3 1 are. So 12 के factors मिल गए हमें 2 square multiplied by 3. Next 15 के factors 3 5 are 15, 5 1 are. So 15 equals 3 multiplied by 5. Next 21, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are. So 21 equals 3 multiplied by 7. Next we need to find HCF and LCM. First हम लोग HCF निकालते हैं. HCF will be common primes rise to their lowest power. यहाँ पे common prime क्या है? 3 है. 3 का lowest power क्या है? 1 ही है. So we write HCF is 3. Next हमारा LCM होगा all the prime numbers. यहाँ पे prime numbers क्या है? 2 3 5 7, 2 3 5 7 raised to their highest power. अब 2 का highest power यहाँ पे क्या है? 2 है. So 2 square multiplied by 3 का highest power क्या है? 1. 5 का highest power 1. 7 का highest power 1. So LCM होगा 2 square multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. 2 square होगा 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. 4 3s are 12 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. 12 5s are 60 multiplied by 7. 6 7s are 42. So 60 7s will give you 420. So हमारा LCM मिल गया 420. This is the answer. HCF is 3. Second part, numbers are 17, 23 and 29. 17 के factors होंगे. 17 is a prime number, so it is divisible by 17 itself. 17 ones are. So 17 के factors मिल गए 1 and 17. 23 is also a prime number, so it is divisible by 23 itself. 29 is also a prime number, it is divisible by 29 itself. So 23 equals 1 multiplied by 23 and 29 equals 1 multiplied by 29. हमें LCM और HCF find out करना है. LCM will be all the prime numbers raised to their highest power. यहाँ पे all the prime numbers are what? 17, 23 and 29. अब इनका product मिलेगा हमें as 11,339. LCM equals 11,329. HCF will be all the common primes raised to their lowest power. यहाँ पे 17, 23 और 29 के कोई common primes नहीं है except 1. Therefore HCF will be 1. This is the answer. Part 3, we have numbers 8, 9 and 25. 8 के factors होंगे 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. 9 के factors होंगे 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. 25 के factors होंगे 5 5s are 5 1s are. So 8 can be written as we have 1, 2, 3. So 2 to the power 3, and 9 can be written as 1, 2, 3 to the power 3 square. 9 is 3 square and 25 is 5 square. Finding the LCM. LCM is all the prime numbers raised to their highest power. All the prime numbers 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3 and 5 are the prime numbers raised to their highest power. 2 का highest power क्या है? 3 है. So we have 2 cube multiplied by 3 का highest power क्या है? 2 है. So 3 square multiplied by 5 का highest power 2. 2 square. So this will be 2 cube is 8 multiplied by 3 square is 9 multiplied by 5 square is 25. 8 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 25, इनका प्रोडक्ट हमें मिल जाएगा 1800. So LCM is 1800. Next we need to find the HCF. HCF क्या है? All the common primes raised to their lowest power. यहाँ पे कोई भी common prime नहीं है. So the HCF will be 1. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos and more updates.